And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the Bestech knives Kendo. This is the 1903A. It's the titanium handle version with the S35 VN blade. Got our warranty manual there. We'll start off by going over specs. The Kendo is from a series that Bestech has. They do some G10 models that are in the $50 range, and then they move up to the higher models. This blade is 8.375 inches overall. Its blade width is about just a little bit short of an inch, somewhere around 5/8, 6 3/4, somewhere in that neighborhood. It is a CPM S35 VN Tonto style with a chisel cut there. The grind is flat, has a stonewash finish, very light stonewash finish, I might add, more around this area than the actual blade. The handle is 4.6. Handle material is titanium. It weighs only 4.4 ounces. The pocket clip is also titanium. This is a right-hand carry. It's a tip-up carry. Manual flipper. Has a ball bearing pivot system, ceramic ball bearing, and like a lot of the other knives we're doing recently, has a flow-through area here where, as you can see, there is nothing on the inside. That's done to keep it light. This one is also serialized. 100 Bestech Kendos in TI titanium will be done. They also have it in blue, and I believe the other one is a black and black. Let's go ahead and show you how this knife cuts. We'll bring out some paracord. Cuts right through that. Now we will pull it. We got some oil on this blade, so we're picking up the fuzz there as we cut it. Bring a little jute here. That was a pull through cut, so we'll go ahead and give it a push through cut. We'll bring out some cardboard, and we'll show you how it cuts there. Cuts very smoothly. Cuts nicely, as you would expect from an S35 VN blade. Bestech does a nice job of making some higher end knives. This knife also has the Lanyard Hole. And I mentioned that it was a FRAMELOCK. It's a nice little design here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the pivot. Both sides matching. It's a nice little flipper. Closes easily with one hand. Opens easily with one hand. Nice deployment. We'll check the blade play. I doubt there is any. Check it as it goes all the way around. No, you're not going to get any there. Alright. This is the Bestech Kendo titanium in gray. Sells for about I think $192 on AtlanticKnife.com. If you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow and like Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you don't mind. Once again, it's the Bestech Kendo, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.